What's going on, YouTube? Today I got this 2013 Ford Edge SEL with the V6 3.5 liter. Customers complaining of rough running, poor gas mileage, and stalling, and the check engine light being on. This is a notorious problem on these engines, not just the V6s, and the 4-cylinders too. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can make videos like this to make your life easier. I'm going to show you what's causing this problem so you're not chasing your tail, because this is kind of a difficult one to diagnose, but this is why I do these videos, to make your life easier so you don't have to go through all the trouble that I go through when I'm diagnosing these cars, and get straight to the point. You're going to get a P2196, O2 sensor signal bias stuck rich bank 1 sensor 1 and bank 1 sensor 2. And the reason why is because this purge flow solenoid gets stuck open and allows fuel vapors to constantly purge into the engine, causing a rich running condition. I'm going to show you how to diagnose it today the easy way, and I'm also going to show you how to replace it while we're doing that as well. Let's do it. Let me turn this key off so we don't kill the battery. Already got the part. I'm doing this outside so I don't get bothered. And this guy lives right down here. Let me turn my light on. Can't see. Right here on top of the intake. It's very easy to replace. First thing I'm going to do is unplug it. Just push down on that tab and pull back. It's windy out here today. And you can get this part aftermarket. Dorman makes it. I'm going to let you see that part number for a second there. 911-222. Stuff that right there so the wind don't blow it away. So once we unplug it, I'm going to unbolt it with this 8mm socket. Get them loose. And I'll spin them out the rest of the way with my fingers because it's a tight spot. Rest that light right there for you. Set your bolts in a safe place. Show you how to test this bad boy the simple way. The good thing is it's really easy to pull on this one versus some Fords that have these on the 4 cylinders. Now swivel it up. Now you get access to your line. Push down. You'll see those little tabs spread and pull out. Now just put it on your mouth and blow through it. You're not supposed to be able to blow through it. This is the new one. See, I can't blow through that one. That's because it's going to be working the way it's supposed to. So now we're going to click our line back on and push it down into the engine. It already comes with a new O-ring on it, so you don't got to transfer the O-ring over. Now these purge solenoids can also set other codes. It sets the purge flow codes, but this one's not doing it. It's setting rich codes instead, which rich codes can be caused by all kind of stuff. High fuel pressure, leaking fuel injectors, a number of things. That's what makes this one difficult to diagnose, because it's not setting any kind of purge flow codes or evap codes. And just lock her down. Find where I stuffed my wire at there. Where did I put that wire? There it is. Hit it from myself. Push until you hear that magic click. It's as simple as that. Get all your tools. I'm going to go in there and clear that code. We're going to give her a test drive. Now, if you have an emissions in your state, the evap takes the longest to go through, so we're not even going to go there. I'm not even going to try to show you all how to pass the evaps. You just got to drive it so many key cycles from cold to hot to get that evap to pass. And most of the time you got to put it on the interstate too to get the evap to pass before your emissions ready. So you can just use a drive by any shop and they'll do a quick scan on it for you just to make sure the monitors are all ready to go through before you get that emissions done. So anyways, enough talk. I'm going to get back to work. I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please check like, please subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.